Luigi, it's nothing's like Angry Birds. Seriously. What? Hi, fat guy. What do we need? Why are you so big? Big. Yeah, I'm so big. What is one of them doing? Birds! Okay? They're not angry birds. They're just birds. Birds can fly in the sky, okay? Come on, big dummy. Hey! Ah! Oh, I saw angry birds. Oh! What, Luigi? Okay, I will talk to them. So, angry birds. Uh-oh. I told you! Luigi, you're nice, okay? It's no things like angry birds. Luigi! Ah! Luigi, are you okay? Oh my god! Oh my stars! You almost kill you, Luigi! They're mad angry birds! I have to warn the silent characters. Hello, guys! What, Mario? I saw the angry bird! Angry bird? I don't see angry birds. Seriously, I saw them, okay? When you saw them, please. Do you saw them? You saw like Blue's Clues. I don't watch Blue's Clues. I need your help. Help. No. What? Seriously, the angry bird's bad, okay? It's nothing's like bad, Mario. Okay? How about explain this? Oh my god! That was kill Luigi! Yeah, know what I'm saying? It's almost kill Luigi, okay? Luigi look like a pig. But he wants to destroy the pig. He wants to get the eggs. Oh, that's creepy. I have eggs for breakfast. They were so yummy with water and fish inside. Ew! And poop. Well, I will ask you. We need your help. Help? We're busy. We're on the summer where we're buying tails. Don't say tails, okay? Show you. Fine. You won't help us? Fine. I will help Luigi. Help myself. Luigi, you okay? You try, Mario. I hide here. Okay? Hey, don't do that, my brother.